Hello guys, so today it's another vlog and it's another tutorial. So today we have tutorial regarding DJI RS3 Pro and DJI RS3 connected via Bluetooth on the Sony A7 IV. Yeah, Sony A7 IV. So I'm gonna show you how to connect via Bluetooth, okay, connection, and use the function. So without further ado, but again, if you are new to my channel, please consider to subscribe and hit the notification bell so at least you'll be updated for all the videos that I will upload regarding photo, video, and tutorial. So without further ado, let's start now guys. So first, here, scroll down, you have Bluetooth connection, enable, connect, showing here A7 IV. So just select which camera I use. For example, I'm using A7 IV. Yeah, let's wait for connecting. Takes time for connection. Bluetooth. Let's check the Bluetooth shooting. Let's go. Okay. File, drive mode, USB shooting mode, media and shutter, silence. Okay. Let's check with the Bluetooth settings. Go with the manual, sorry. Okay. No. USB, Bluetooth, shutter. Okay. Yeah, go for the Bluetooth. Bluetooth function on. Pairing. Manage pair. Make sure this all in the also we have here wired smart port connect. Transfer and remote. Yes. Go for transfer remote. Make sure your PC remote function is on. Okay. Bluetooth remote control is also on. Yeah. So okay. Then go back for Bluetooth. Pairing. Yeah. Okay, let's connect. And pair again. Then make okay here. For now it's pairing. Now it's connected. Showing here paired. Make okay. Okay. Now it's paired. I'll try to Bluetooth connection. Make remote control mode. Camera is enabled. Okay. So let's try to take a video. But no card. Suddenly no card. So I will try to put a card. Use a spare device. On. So record. And now it will record guys. See. It's recording. Hit the button record. Yeah. Unrecord. See. It's hit the record. Record. And again. Record. I push the button record. Yeah. So this is our vlog for today guys. How to connect and perfectly work the A7 IV via Bluetooth connection. So I think that's it for today's vlog. Again, if you want to check the price and availability of this DJI RS3 and RS4 pre-order and also this A7 IV Sony, you can visit our website www.abworld.com. So yan, hanggang dito lang. Thank you and mabuhay.